Mantis here, guys. There are so many different beliefs. These two, I believe, is one of the most dangerous beliefs. The first one is the belief that I am nobody. It will literally steal everything from your joy to your self-respect to your self-esteem. Anything bad is attached to that belief that I am nobody. The second one is the belief that I have nobody. We all want to be wanted. We all want to feel important. We all want to be loved. And if you believe that you have nobody, oh my God, that's like having no hope. I know I'm coming pretty extreme on this one, but these two beliefs is so dangerous. So dangerous. If you have any one of them, seek help. You are not a nobody. You are the child of the Most High God, created for a purpose. And even when you feel like you have nobody, all you have to do is turn to that truth that you are the child of the Most High God. Now, I'm not trying to get religious on you, but that is the essence, because you need to rely your belief system on something greater than just the external. Maybe a lot of people disappointed you. Maybe you came from the worst background. Whatever the circumstance is, it should not lead you to develop these two beliefs. And if you have those two beliefs that I just shared, do whatever it takes to erase it. And here's the good news. Belief is fluid. You can change it. And I really hope this message comes through. Seeing a lot of things, and I'm hearing a lot of things that really compel me to share this. I hope that helped. It's Mantis.